That one's sweet, Lana?
Uh-huh. You're not letting me touch this.
Jarrell Plantation, taking a day out with the grandkids. Look like maybe they put cane syrup up or something in there. In the barn, a couple goats, chickens running everywhere. Smokehouse, outhouse down there. Some old cabins. And the big houses. See if I can get this. Oh, there we go. I need you to wash my clothes.
Show JJ the stove and the light, how they like the house.
Ooh, I need that firewood. You ready to look at the lantern?
What do you think, Kate?
Pots.
You like it?
Yeah.
You want to live here?
Lana's gonna get her house like this. Oh, look at the Christmas tree,
The
y'all.
washing machine?
We saw.
That's the washing machine.
Little bed.
You did that.
That's the Jarrell house, bed and breakfast. That's separate from the park. Really pretty though.
Look at that way.
There's some beehives up there.
That way. Just that way.
Beehives. And then it explains how they was doing terraces to keep it from everything from washing away. And a syrup furnace. There's a syrup furnace for cooking down the cane syrup.
Yeah, it's starting to get water well.
Look, guys, look.
It's a vine. It's another cabin up here. I didn't catch the name of this one. Got to look through the doors on this one. Whoa, okay. This is the 1847 house.
What y'all see?
I smell Christmas trees too.
What's it say?
Should you see the candles on it?
1847 house.
You see it? See that light? That's where
That looks like in here.
they turn that cotton into clothes.
What do y'all think? You like it, KK?
Open.
Open?
Here.
What's in there?
Tucker, don't touch that. That's dangerous. Do not touch it.
I think that's a geocache box. Ready to go find something else?
Hey, what about we can go behind the house real quick?
Yep.
This house.
They like the outhouses. Got their smoke house in the back, the kitchen off the back of the house. They built these houses to last.
What is that?
I'm guessing another chicken coop, I don't know.
I did. Y'all in the chicken house?
Bark. Hey, go up there.
Okay. Tucker, what's the chicken say?
Walk.
You know why they put the kitchen back here? Because it's so hot and smoky that it only go in the house. They put kitchen outside. They make them grandma let me cook by herself.
Open.
And don't look at that pretty
Grandma.
Yeah, grandma had to cook back here. On the ground.
What is it?
Fire pit in the front yard. I remember reading about that. I stored the house plants in there to keep them
What is
for the
it?
winter. Huh? So out in the front yard there's a flower pit, and it's just a hole where they store their plants in the winter to keep them from freezing.
What y'all find? What's in there?
A boat.
A boat.
A boat.
It is a boat. What is it, KK?
Got the oars. They probably go down there and out and walk this side.
Tucker, put it back.
Go back in there, rock.
Go. Boat.
What did you see, Kay?
Oh, yes.
You know,
Y'all be careful.
stay warm down there.
What is it?
The flower pit. They put their house plants and their potatoes and stuff and store them. How they make the boat? Headed down to the lower part of the Jarrell Plantation. Oh, and there goes one down. This house or barn's built up on stilts. A little bridge. Old sawmill. But it's rickety. No, they don't let us go up in it. More of the sawmill. That's a big blade.
Okay, this way. Okay.
There's a little bit of water run down there, but it ain't much. Come out from under there.
Whoa.
There's a little saw. There's the big motor. Had a big belt on it one time that would turn all the saws. Steam engine. I'm in here. It's a big old engine. See the steam pipe? Run from the boiler over here to. They put big old belts on those wheels.
How do you
This is the big boiler that powered those steam engines. Look at that. Schofield's Ironworks, Macon, Georgia. We live close to there. Show me what's in there. That's where they put coals down there.
JJ, go in.
You know, one of those wooden boats we saw earlier.
Come on, come on. Okay, so don't let it drop. Oh, you have a glove. Drop it. For heaven's sake.
Chimney. That old wood up there.
Look at me.
Another boiler, I guess, what that was. And a bunch of engines. Southern Plow Company, Columbus, Georgia. There's a lot of steel mills over in Columbus.
Shovel. There's a shovel is broken. Oh my god.
That one's Buffalo, New York. Joshua Rose Manufacturing Company. Look, that's an old car. They would use that motor out of the car. To be specific, it was a 1927 Pup-mobile. There's the emblem still on it. They used it to drive pulleys with instead of driving it. Buzz Lightyear to the rescue. Cade done left his Buzz. Okay, get your Buzz. Get Buzz.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, don't leave Buzz.
Stop.
What y'all finding? Hey.
Let's go in the next.
Threshing machine from the 1930s.
In there.
Ooh. What you think all this is? A reaper and a binder? It's all farming stuff. John Deere. Get off this stuff, it'll hurt you. A lot of
Mule carry the logs to the sawmill.
He's gonna lose his Buzz. It's a blacksmith shop. Look at all that coal in there. You want me to help you get down? Yeah, you see anything? All the implements of a blacksmith. And of course the Maxwell house, because it's good to last straw. And our happy little crew's on their way out. Come here.
More up on me.
You wanna go pet her? Don't touch them bars. I got chicken poop all over. She says she don't want to mess with y'all.
It looks like she's gonna have more eggs.
She might.
Stand back. Stand back. I don't have to look out here for a minute. Sissy.
Chicken. What is that, Kay? What is it?
Sissy.
Chicken. What's it say?
Sissy. Say.
What's it say?
Oh.
You put your hand in chicken poop. Get your hand up.
They're gonna get y'all back up. I don't know. You can go touch them.
Chicken! I'm scared of that one. Oh!
Get fun. Kyle used to have some in the backyard.
Old one like that.
Say they'll catch one for you. Y'all come on. Y'all here. Fun. Did you have fun? Tucker, did you? What'd you like best?
A chicken.
The chickens?
And a goat.
The goat? Wait. KK, did you have fun? Did you have fun? Did you have fun? You got a picnic?
Here, give me a hand. Strong.
Okay.
I was sorry.
Oh no, it looks like the bridge is out.
Bridge is out, y'all.
What bridge?
You want
What?
to stop and let them see?
Can y'all see?
I can't see.
You can?
Tucker, can you see?
I can.
Look out your window.
Y'all ever rode through a river before?
Tucker, look at your window. No, we never read.
Never rode through a river, huh?